Okay, so for today, we are going to cook a spaghetti. First is lagyan lang natin ng a little bit of cooking oil and asin yung tubig. Tapos hintayin kumulo. Tapos pag kumulo na yung tubig, pwede na natin ilagay yung ating pasta. And then, hintayin lang itong maluto. So after ilang minutes at pag luto na yung ating pasta, pwede na itong hanguin at iset aside muna dahil magluluto pa tayo ng ating sauce. So sa pagluluto ng ating sauce it's very simple lang naman, guys. We just need to have a little bit of cooking oil, and then we gonna gisa-gisa our onions and garlic. Tapos hintayin lang na medyo golden brown yung ating garlic. At pag na golden brown na ito, pwede na natin ilagay yung ating ground pork. Tapos halo-halo lang ulit, and then wait until maluto ang ground pork natin. So halo-halo lang, and then pwede na rin natin tong timplahan muna. Lagyan natin ng konting asin at paminta. Tapos halo-halo again. Make a halo-halo, and then wait for it to be cooked. So antayin lang natin tong maluto. And after ilang minutes and if luto na yung ating ground pork, pwede natin ilagay yung ating spaghetti sauce. So same process lang ulit. Pagkatapos natin ilagay we gonna make a halo-halo, and then wait for ilang minutes until medyo maluto na yung ating ground pork. Tapos pag medyo malapit nang maluto yung ground pork natin, pwede na tayong maglagay ng ating paminta again and a little bit of salt para timplahan lang yung kasi sobrang yung sauce natin. Tapos after nun, pwede natin ilagay yung ating hot dogs. Same process, and wait again after ilang minutes. Tapos feel nyo luto na yung hotdog, pwede nyo nang ilagay yung ating pasta. So after nyo malagay yung pasta you just make a halo-halo again until ma-even yung sauce natin. Lahat ng sides ng pasta malagyan. Tapos lagyan natin ng konting condensed milk para lang mabalanse yung lasa, hindi sobrang alat. And then after nun, pag okay na yung lasa, pwede nyo itong ihanguin, ilagay sa lalagyan. Tapos lagyan na natin to ng cheese. So sa paglalagay ng cheese, guys, parang dali lang ito. So you will just do like that, and then like that again. Tapos yun, you have their spaghetti. Pwede na kayong kumain kasama yung pamilya nyo, mga kaibigan nyo, jowa nyo, or even kayo lang mag-isa. It's up to you. So there you go. Bye bye.